Good evening. Good evening. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mount a bench grinder to a workbench without drilling holes in the workbench. Okay, here we go. First, you need to determine the size of the holes for mounting. So I found the drill bit. I drilled holes. I measured from center to center. It was 9 inches. So I drilled the holes. Then I used a spade bit, a 7/8 spade bit, and I drilled about halfway in on the bottom side. Now, just a second, and you need some 3/8 bolts. If that's the size you're using, at least 2 inches long. 2.5 inches would have been ideal, but I didn't have 2.5. So you put what you have in, and then you tighten the bolts there. Use sockets. See if we can tighten this. This up a little. Okay, let's put the other one in. I can see. Okay, right there. Okay, let's get it started. See if I got it on there. Yeah, I got it on. You can hold on the other side with your hand or another wrench. Or a wrench, it's sliding a little, but I'm trying to do this quickly to show you how to do it. So you tighten them both down. Tighten them good. Okay, now we got them tightened down good. Now we're gonna right the ship. Okay, I'm righting the ship. Now, all you do is you get some big clamps like this from your local hardware store, and you just secure the wood here to your workbench. Let me show you. Okay, one. I don't know if this is a big enough clamp, but put this in the back here. That's barely big enough. Here we go. And now we want to plug it in and try it out. Make sure the clamps are tight. Put the guards down. I just put a new grinding wheel on here. I'm rebuilding this bench grind. I'm going to put a wire wheel on the left. And here we go. Let's try it out. Put the guards down. Wire guards. And there we go. Look, it's nice and sturdy. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.